come back, she meet certain thing, and it wasn't like that. We did have enough people here. Child mother was here, I was here. She came to wash my hands, to knead the flour. And in a split second, I noticed the child in the pot. So the child from the pot. She down and gave her to her grandmother to reach the hospital. So that the events there, it wasn't like I leave the child in pot while I is a bad parents, like people saying. I see about anybody children here, all the children in the community like me. So let it change the topic. Let it change that topic.
So the couple was on a crack on it.
No, she is a smart girl. She is a clever girl. She would not even test the water to see if the water hot. She's not that kind of person. She accidentally fall in that pot. I can see that.
And then within a few seconds or so.
Yes, I take her out, put she in some water, wet she down, and then went to she grandmother and went out and get her pick up with sand. And they tried she in the hospital.
And the whole time she was conscious.
All time the baby was conscious. No, I stopped her taxi. I stopped her taxi, she mother, and she grandmother went with she.
So you told us you went to the hospital?
Yes, I went to the hospital. Mama girl was well good. Actually well good. Mama girl talking to me like normal. She eating. She has she tablet. She told me change the tablet and put it on something for she to see. Mama girl was good, walking, everything.
I mean, what she tell you? What can we talk about?
We talk about what color I like. She's a person that keep a conversation. She's not a... She was here already. Them children was here already. Them breed of children. She keep a conversation with me. What color I like? Papa, you like pink? No, Papa, you like green. I like pink. And she just keep talking, and you can see the child in good, for a burn, she in a good state of mind and everything, the child good. If what will puzzle me, my brother, right? They tell me the child have 2 days or a day to come outside. Within that 2 days, my grandchild come out in a box. What really going in the hospital? You could tell me, if you have big and you have sense, you will see for yourself. Something went wrong in the hospital. Something went wrong, and they will try to cover it. I'm telling you that.
What day you went to the hospital?
Saturday I was in the hospital.